Someone take me off pause, I feel like breaking the laws. My mind's wide awake but I'm locked in the game, and I can't find the key, it's the boredom I hate. Watch the hours roll by, how long do I wait? Please release me from this prison, I just need to escape.